Right.
But now you have 5,000 RPM, 200 kilometers
Yep.
per hour. So it's... But now, okay, you have to take it easy.
Oh yeah.
Pisses me off so much. So...
Quite noisy as well when it pops out. Bang bang.
Oh yeah, well, it's a mechanical thing.